Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and I am back with a little video, although I don't know how I've managed to even do it because it took me forever to find just a couple of supplies because I'm still not moved, I still haven't got a date, and it's just turning into a nightmare. So this is another laminating video because I came up with a brilliant little idea, and I don't know if it's been done before. This was just a little idea I had. Now what I thought we could do was, I've took basically just a piece of card and I have covered it well, I've covered this one all in washi tapes. Now it took me forever to find a few rolls of washi tape. I've got tons of them, beautiful ones, and I can't find, I don't know which box I've put them in, and I've just covered it over. Now I find some washi tapes, it doesn't matter what you do, they don't want to stick. I mean, yes, you can glue them down, and you can see there, look, I don't know. And what I thought we could do was laminate them and then die cut them, so you're going to have durable washi tapes. And the reason I'm doing this is because I think a lot of us have an abundance of washi tapes. We don't do anything with them, we don't use them, we tend to just hoard them, and I thought this was a great way to use them up. So I managed to find 3 which were only Christmas ones, that's all I could find, and I've just put them in like an order, so I've just, you know, alternated the patterns. So I'm going to quickly stick these ones on. I've got the laminator on ready, so it should be ready now, and I'm going to use just the normal pouches because I think it would be quite nice with a gloss, especially if you're doing like sentiments and things. And also I can't find the matte ones so that's part of the reason. So I just need the red one, and then I'm gonna finish this sheet at that. Now I use quite a thick card because I want them to be quite thick, especially if I'm die cutting them. So that's both pieces of card covered, and then I just ran up the side, just trimming the little scraggy ends off. Alright, so I'll just get these out of the way. Now, as I said, I've got the glossy ones, and what I found as well was, if you say running 2 pieces of card or paper, you don't need to use these in the middle, the printer paper, but because these are not full sheets, I'm still going to run mine through. So I've got one here which I'm going to put face down, then I'm going to put my 2 copier papers just in case, because like I say, they're not full sheets of card, and then I'm going to put the other one in face up, so because I'm only going to laminate one side of them because we're going to die cut them. So I'm going to quickly run this through and I'll be straight back. There we go, I've run it through. I think that looks really nice, and we're just going to open the pouch up again. Hopefully it'll have worked because I haven't tried it. Yep, that's worked. That's really cool. So now you've got no worries of that washi tape ever lifting because it's encapsulated now. Yeah, that is brilliant. So I mean, obviously you could just use them on cards if you want to. but I thought they would be pretty cool to like die cut them. So again, I'm really limited to what I've got. I've managed to find some of these little dies. So we've got like, this one is treats, a happy, just to show you really what it's like. I've just got the big shot here. I'm going to have to trim it down because I'm not going to fit it all through. So I'm just going to cut some of these off so we can have happy and we can have treats. Happy treats. And I'm going to run back. Yep, you can see that's cut. So let's have a look what we've got. I'll just pop a little bits through. That is so cool, because now it looks like you've just covered it in glossy accents. Ah, that's amazing. Absolutely love this. Just pop that through. That's so cool. So get your washi tapes out because this is pretty cool. And we've got treats. And because we've only laminated one side, it's so much easier to actually get out the die. So you can use all your little die cuts. I mean, you're going to get loads out of these. So you could do a couple of sheets. And I've lost me happy. I don't know what the hell I've done with that now. Oh, it's gone. Anyway, we've got treats. And then of course you could just die cut little tags maybe. As I said, I am so limited to what I can find because it's all packed away. So we could have a little glossy tag out of that, but I do particularly like the idea for sentiments. But I tell you what else as well, what you could do is, say if you've got little dies of like treat boxes, you could definitely do that. Now seriously, that just looks like it's been covered in glossy accents. I really don't think anybody would know that that was laminated. To me it looks like glossy accents. And then if you do find any peels away, just do what I said and just run it through in between two pieces of paper again. But I think this is really cool. You can just get all your little dies out and stuff. And as I said, I think we've all got washi tapes and we just don't use them. So there we go, I've got them here. So we've got a tag, we've got treats, and we've got happy, and they just look like they've had glossy accents on them, and they're durable, and then you haven't got any worries of that washi tape peeling away. Because I know I'm going to get people saying, well, just do it, you don't need to laminate them. Well, no, you don't if you don't want to, but everyone's different. And I've done this with just washi tape and cut them out, and then I found sometimes the peel away, the washi tape peels away. So this way you're protecting them, they look like you've covered them in glossy accents, and then you can use up all your washi tapes as well. or use your washi tapes, because I know a lot of people don't do anything with them. But yeah, I'm definitely doing this. You could just sit and make whole batches of them and put them, you know, in a little box or something, and then you're going to have loads of really cute little Christmas sentiments. Or like I say, you could make them from little treat boxes and stuff. Choice is yours. So I hope you've enjoyed it. As I said, it's hard at the minute because I still haven't moved, and I've got loads of ideas I want to share, loads of videos. So just bear with us. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.